The Rube Goldberg machine. Have you ever thought about needing a machine to pour cereal into your bowl? What are the energy transformations occurring in a Rube Goldberg machine? It is a machine designed to perform simple tasks, but can you design a machine that can pop this balloon? Completes the task in an indirect and overly complicated way. It relies on simple chain reactions. A swinging axe can pop the balloon. Let's take this Rube Goldberg machine as an example. Could you label the energy transformations involved? Bonus challenge: name the simple machines used. Feel free to hit the pause button if you need more time. A. Potential to kinetic. B. Potential to kinetic. C. Potential to kinetic. D. Potential, elastic, to kinetic. E. Potential to kinetic. F. Potential to sound. Are you up for another challenge? Arrange these components to build a Rube Goldberg machine that can pour cereal into a bowl. Here's a sample cereal pouring Rube Goldberg machine. Name the energy transformations occurring here and share it with your peer. A recap. A Rube Goldberg machine is a device that uses a chain reaction to carry out a simple task. It performs a simple task in an overly complicated way. If you were to create a Rube Goldberg machine, what would you like it to accomplish for you? Can you list the steps you'll need?